Attentiveness and clear consciousness, 7th step. Clearly conscious is he in his going and coming, clearly conscious in looking forward and backward, clearly conscious in bending and stretching his body, clearly conscious in eating, drinking, chewing, and tasting, clearly conscious in discharging excrement and urine, clearly conscious in waking, standing, sitting, falling asleep, and awakening, clearly conscious in speaking and keeping silent, now being equipped with this lofty morality, equipped with this noble control of the senses, and filled with this noble attentiveness and clear consciousness, he chooses a secluded dwelling in the forest, at the foot of a tree, on a mountain, in a cleft, in a rock cave, on a burial ground, on a woody tableland, in the open air, or on a heap of straw, having returned from his alms round. After the meal, he sits himself down, with legs crossed, body erect, and attentiveness fixed before him. We all need to learn to get in the mode where we're like, yeah, I am only doing this. Those other things, you know, aren't involved. And perhaps it's only moments, but you build on that. Or that moment is when it's accomplished. You do stuff for hours, and the moment is when you get through, or get through the point where it's sufficient enough to make up for the rest of